Yet another very dangerous hurricane has impacted the Caribbean. This satellite image shows the moment that Major Hurricane Maria made landfall early Tuesday over the island of Dominica. As a Category 5 hurricane, it's estimated that wind speeds were in excess of 160 miles per hour, bringing devastating consequences. The island of Dominica did weaken Hurricane Maria, but it's now back over the very warm waters of the Caribbean, and it has, at the time of recording, returned to a Category 5 major hurricane. An extremely dangerous hurricane that through the rest of Tuesday is expected to bring further impacts to the northern Leeward Islands, and by early Wednesday it's expected that Major Hurricane Maria will pass very close to, if not over, parts of the US and British Virgin Islands, and shortly after, Puerto Rico. Now, the winds close to the eye of Hurricane Maria are likely to be in excess of 150 miles per hour, devastating winds for anywhere close to the eye of Maria. But the extent of the risk from Maria extends much further than the eye. We're likely to see a significant storm surge affecting parts of the Leeward Islands, the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, with a storm surge in excess of 11 feet in places and large, possibly devastating waves. Torrential rainfall also extends fairly widely through the northern Leeward Islands as well as the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. Some places could see 20 to 25 inches of rainfall, potentially bringing life-threatening flooding and mudslides. This is the official track of Hurricane Maria from the National Hurricane Center. The solid cone shows its expected position through to the end of the week, and the shaded cone indicates its position through the weekend. Now, it does bring a risk to Dominican Republic, followed by Turks and Caicos Islands later this week, as well as parts of the Bahamas by the weekend. But as you can see, the size of the cone increases as we go out to the weekend, indicating the considerable uncertainty by that point. But the very worrying thing is that it remains as an M, a major hurricane, as we go out through to the weekend. And it is something that we are keeping a very close eye on here at the Met Office.